Bennett University is one of those colleges where the internet gives you completely different answers. Some students talk about the modern campus, industry exposure, internships, and the Times Group connection. Others question the fees, the size of the student crowd, and whether the placement numbers actually justify the total cost. So, which version is closer to reality? Today, we're going beyond the brochure. We look at Bennett University, Greater Noida, its major programs, fees, placements, campus life, and the question that matters most. Is Bennett University actually worth the investment in 2026? Let's find out. Bennett University is a private university in Greater Noida established by the Times Group. The university offers programs across computer science and artificial intelligence, engineering, management, law, design, liberal arts, media, and several other areas. Its current program list includes BTech CSE, BTech AI, Electronics and Communication, Electronics and Computer Engineering, Mechanical Engineering, Engineering Physics, Biotechnology, BBA, MBA, BCA, Law, Design, Mass Communication, Liberal Arts, and more. The university is also UGC approved and its industry positioning is one of the biggest selling points. But a strong brand connection doesn't automatically mean a strong return on investment. And that's where we need to look deeper. For most students considering Bennett, the biggest question is about engineering, especially computer science. The university currently offers BTech programs in CSE, Artificial Intelligence, Electronics and Communication, Electronics and Computer Engineering, Mechanical Engineering, Engineering Physics, and Biotechnology. There are also newer industry-linked programs including CSE with AI and Machine Learning, CSE with Cybersecurity, VLSI, and Smart Manufacturing. The CSE program itself is designed around areas such as AI, machine learning, cybersecurity, cloud computing, robotics, IoT, blockchain, and other emerging technologies. Bennett also highlights industry exposure, internships, capstone projects, and collaborations with companies and technology organizations. So academically, the university is clearly trying to position itself as a modern technology-focused institution. But here's the important part. A modern curriculum doesn't automatically create a high-paying engineer. Your projects, DSA, internships, communication skills, and interview preparation still matter. Engineering isn't the only major area at Bennett. The School of Management offers BBA, BBA plus MBA dual degree, BCom programs, and a range of MBA specializations, including marketing, finance, business analytics, human resources, healthcare, entrepreneurship, sports, media, logistics and supply chain, and more. Bennett also has law programs, design programs including fashion, game design, product design with AI, animation and VFX, and communication design. For students interested in media, there are programs in mass communication and film, TV, and web series. The university also offers liberal arts programs in areas such as psychology, economics, English, sociology, philosophy, business studies, and political science. So one advantage Bennett definitely has is the variety of disciplines available under one university. Now let's talk about something students and parents need to calculate carefully: money. For the current fee structure, Bennett lists the 4-year BTech CSE tuition at approximately 15.7 lakh rupees. On-campus triple sharing hostel is listed at 1.7 lakh rupees per year. There are also additional charges such as examination, co-curricular, degree digitalization, alumni, and other applicable charges. That means you shouldn't look at the tuition number alone. You have to calculate the complete cost of your degree: tuition, hostel, food, travel, personal expenses, and any other charges. Because once the total investment crosses a significant level, the question changes from "can I get admission?" to "will the career outcome justify this investment?" That is the real ROI question. Now we come to the section everyone wants to know about: placements. Bennett's official placement information reports 715 companies visiting for recruitment in 2025. It also reports a highest domestic package of 62 lakh rupees in 2025. The university reports that 42 companies offered packages above 20 lakh rupees, while 91 companies offered packages above 10 lakh rupees in the 2025 placement data. For BTech, Bennett reports an average package of 9.42 lakh rupees on its current CSE program page, while its placement page highlights a 62 lakh rupees domestic highest package and a 1.37 crore rupee international highest package achieved in 2023. These numbers are impressive, but there's an important distinction. A highest package is not the salary of an average student. And the number of companies visiting does not tell us how many students each company actually hires. Recent student and alumni discussions online are mixed. A 2025 graduate said companies do come to campus and that he secured an internship and later a job, but also emphasized that students still need their own skills and preparation. Other recent student discussions are much more critical, particularly about the size of the intake, competition, and the gap between headline placement figures and outcomes for the wider student population. These are individual experiences and should not be treated as audited statistics, but they are useful signals for prospective students. So don't ask only what is the highest package. Ask what is the typical outcome for students in my program. So, should you choose Bennett University? If you're looking for a modern private university with strong technology-focused programs, a wide range of courses, industry-oriented curriculum, and an active campus environment, Bennett is definitely worth considering. But there's one condition. You need to be serious about using the opportunities. Because the biggest mistake would be paying a large amount of money and assuming the university will automatically deliver a high-paying career. It won't. The college can provide the platform. It can bring companies. It can provide internships, labs, clubs, and industry exposure. But your skills determine what you actually convert from those opportunities. So before taking admission, compare 3 things carefully. Your total 4-year cost, your specific program's placement outcomes, and the alternatives you have at the same budget. Subscribe to Shiksha Search for honest college reviews, placement realities, admission guidance, and smarter career decisions. I'll see you in the next video.